Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is fine and your week must be good. The last week must be really good for you. And like I always tell you before I start my video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Facebook as well as on Instagram. So as you all know, I'm here with my reading for the week starting from 22nd of November till the 28th of November. 22nd of November is Monday and 28th is the Sunday. So let's go ahead and start with our first sign, and that is sign Aries. So let's shuffle the cards, and we will go ahead and start the reading for our first sign, zodiac sign, and that is sign Aries. So I'm picking up 3 cards for the sign Aries now. People born under the sign of Aries, I see a week mostly of emotions, relationship, where you will have some kind of mood swing. So if I start with your relationship first, it seems like there is some moment, a happy moment coming to you where you are going to enjoy your relationship or enjoy your friend circle, or a group of people maybe are coming together to have a party or socializing. So that is the week where the relationship looks fine for me also. But of course, and where your career is concerned, there is definitely a growth showing. There will be a growth where you will be shown that you might get a raise, or you might have a growth coming your way this week. So that is great. The health looks little bit stressful, in the sense it is because of the stress that you have been taking. You might not be able to get proper sleep, or you might not be stressed and waking up at nights, and those kind of stress issues might bother you this week. So stay calm and stay positive. Financial condition looks normal, nothing too great, nothing too bad. So it is the normal, the way it has been growing, or going for you financially, it's going to be the same. So overall, a good week for Aries. Now we'll go ahead and pick 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. Please don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel and watch other YouTube videos that I have done. There are some very good videos where some videos are manifestation, some videos are on your dreams. So just go ahead and see those videos, might be a help to all of you. So now the second sign that we are going to take is Taurus. Taurus, definitely where I see your relationship, I see a little bit of setback coming to you this week. Maybe not this week. You might be interested in new relationship, or I don't see any new relationship coming to you this week, because I feel a little bit of depression, little bit of sorrow coming to you from the relationship. So stay away from people as much as possible. Don't expect too much from your relationship this week, because there might be some arguments, so there might be some kind of little things bothering you where your relationship are concerned this week. Definitely a growth in your career. I see a forward moment. So definitely there will be a growth, or there will be something that will show you where your career is concerned, a forward moment you can see also. But there is also this week where you will somewhere feel that your life is being controlled by someone, or your life has been controlled maybe by your boss, or by some of your family members, or a family member, you can say. So this week is somewhere where you're going to feel like you are not the one who is doing things by yourself. There is a control on you, or someone is controlling you, and that kind of feeling is going to come to you this week. But that's a past. You just have to be a little careful where your relationship are concerned, because I see a little bit of setback in your relation this week. Career looks fine, health also looks fine, and finance is fine too. I don't see a growth or any bad thing coming where your finance is concerned. Now we're going to do 3 cards for Gemini. So 3 cards for Gemini. If I see where your career is concerned, I see a little growth. You can see not that much of a growth where your career is concerned, a little bit of growth here and there. Definitely a travel or something coming where your relationship are concerned. So you might travel with your loved ones, or you might travel to see your loved ones this week. There are a lot of obstacles where your work is concerned, or I also see coming to you this week. So Gemini people, just be strong, just be prepared that any kind of obstacles or any kind of arguments or any kind of work related issues or too much you can say obstacles kind of a thing. People might just come and want to start an argument with you, or they want to just start a fight with you, and you have to be mentally prepared and ready for your answers or the fight that you have to fight back. Also, you are prone to negativity this week, so be very, very careful about the people around you. Stay protected this week. Finance looks fine, nothing too good or nothing too bad for Gemini people. Relationship, like I told you, looks fine because you are going to make a travel where your relationship are concerned, meeting new people, welcoming new people in your life, or going and meeting some loved ones. Now 3 cards for people born under the sign Cancer. Let's go ahead and see what they have in store. Where your finance is concerned, people born under the sign of Cancer, it is a week of hard work, you can say, where your finance is concerned. Also, how much you will put in your hard work, that much outcome you will get where your finance is concerned. So if you want to see some good results or good finance things, just make sure you work towards it and the finance will be fine. Where relationship are concerned, sometimes you are very somewhere you are very, very satisfied with your relationship. So this week is somewhere where you want to just relax, don't want to make new friends, or do not want to get any kind of a new relationship. There will be a lot of relationship or people coming to you, and trying to be friends with you, and in fact wants to be friend with you or get into a relationship. But you are in this week so satisfied and so okay with your relationship that you don't want any more involvement in any kind of social activity or any kind of social group, or you don't want to make any new friends this week. So if you see the relationship, you are quite satisfied with your relationship this week. Also, there is some good news coming. There might be a celebration coming in your family. You might buy new things, new vehicle, new house, or some news of something good coming in your life you will receive this week. Though your relationship, you are satisfied with whatever you have, the present relationship shows a lot of excitement coming to you this week. So be ready for it. Like I told you, health also looks fine. It's a week of joy and enjoyment. So the week looks fine. Finance will come. If you work hard, the finance will come. Career looks okay. It is a normal week where career is concerned. Health also looks fine. Now we'll go ahead and pull 3 cards for the people born under the sign Leo. So people born under the sign Leo, if I see your finance, definitely an increase in finance coming to you. There will be an instance this week where you will, someone will come to you and give you the good news of finance. So you don't have to work very hard towards your finance this week. It is going to come naturally. Opportunities where your career is concerned is also going to come to you this week. So be ready for it. Where your health is concerned, a good health is seen. No health issues. I don't see any major health issues coming to you this week. Career, definitely opportunities coming. Finances growing. Relationship also looks normal. Nothing like you are going to be in a bad relationship or you are going to make rude. It is going to be normal the way it has been for you. So that's for Leo. Now 3 cards for people born under the sign Virgo. So people born under the sign Virgo, whether your relationship are concerned, somewhere there is some you can say bad news coming to you where your relationship are concerned this week, because there is some sadness or there is some emotional setback that you have been having, and that is going to give you that kinds of mood swings and that kind of sadness this week, Virgo people. So just be careful with whom you mingle or whom you become friends, because it might cause you some kind of sadness or some kind of relationship issue this week. Finance, definitely a growth in finance, so you will see a way to increase your finance this week. The finance is going to come. Maybe you will find a way where you decide to put it in an investment, and the money will grow. So that kind of things will show up this week, and you will take the step to increase your finance or save your finance. It is also a sun card, so whatever sadness or whatever setback that you will be having into a relationship or any other aspect of life this week, the sun card that has come reciprocates with all the things negative, in the sense it is the sun card. So again, though any issues coming to you this week, you are again going to get up, get going, and again become positive and bright as sun and move ahead. So anything, any relationship card that has come, or any cards that shows disturbance coming to you this week, is going to, you can say, the energy of those cards are going to somewhere sour down, because it's a sun card, the bright card, the positive card that has come. So that card will keep you positive and get back, will help you to get back on the feet. So this, whatever relationship issues, whatever things coming to you, is not going to affect you that much. You will be again positive, again that full of energy in this week. So if I see your week this time, it is something like, it will be a situation where you will feel really low sometimes, but then you yourself will think positive, and you will come out of it and be again working towards your goal, or working towards whatever you want in life. So it's not a bad week for you, Virgo people. Now we'll go ahead and do Libra. So 3 cards I'm going to pull for people born under the sign Libra. People born under the sign of Libra, if I see your relationship looks fine. There is a growth in your relationship. Some new things, new situation is going to prompt up this week, where you will find happiness in your relationship. Also, be very, very careful in all the aspects of your life, that whatever you are seeing might be just an illusion that is shown to you this week. So don't get carried away on things you see. Think properly, analyze it properly, and then move forward this week, because there are a lot of illusions that are going to come to you this week. Whatever you see is not what really it is. So just be careful of that. Definitely a growth, definitely a moment of growth coming to you. It is something that you're moving with all the strength and all the positiveness in you. So it is a positive week for you. So whatever direction you will be going in, it is a direction, the right direction that will be shown to you this week. So if you see that way, finance looks the same, normal. Of course, there is a forward moment shown. So you are going to work hard towards increasing your finance this week. More work is going to come to you, and you will have the strength, and you will have the stamina, and you will have the positivity to move ahead this week for more work. But like I told you, don't get carried away with what you see. Maybe there is a lot of things that is shown to you, but the real thing behind might be something else. So just be careful about those things. Otherwise, this week looks fine for people born under the sign Libra. So now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio now. If I see the Scorpio people relationship, I see is going to be very good for you this week, because you are going to meet your family, you are going to meet your friends that you have not met for quite a long time. So it's a happy moment where your relationship are concerned. Finance, definitely a growth in your finance. I do see like finance not coming from one part of it, but there might be like few like finance coming from here, some of it coming from here, some of it coming from there. and then definitely an increase in your financial. So growth where your career is concerned, you are moving with a lot of positivity, and I see that it is coming to you very fast. So this week is somewhere where you are going to see the result of your hard work, and where your career is concerned, the growth is shown, and a fast growth is shown this week to you where your career is concerned. The health looks fine, normal. I don't see any major health issues for you this week. So that's it for Scorpio. Now we will pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Sagittarius. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Sagittarius. So if I start where your relationship are concerned, the Sagittarians, definitely you will be blessed this week. There will be, you can say, the blessings coming from the universe will, and the universe is going to help you to give you that kind of happiness in your relationship, or will bring you someone who will be very helpful where your relationship is concerned, and give you what you require where your relationship is concerned. So this week you will be blessed with a good relationship. Of course, there is also some kind of moon energy that is coming in this week, because maybe the relationship, the new relationship, the emotions, all are going to mix up together, and you are going to feel that emotionally, you can say, up and down this week. So yes, if I say where your health is concerned, it's not a major health issue, but you will be moody this week, you can say. So Sagittarians, just be very careful about your moods. Relationship are coming and they will be positive for you. Finance, I see a growth coming to you. You will growth in the sense you will see that, okay, I have this much money and it is growing, basically. And this week is a week where you will be very, very positive. Okay, my finance is coming and it's going to grow from year to year, kind of thing. So definitely a positive week for you Sagittarians. Where career is concerned, it looks normal. There is nothing great career movement coming this week, but definitely finance and relationship is on an increase this week. But just be very careful about your mood swings. Now we are going to do 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. So let's see Capricorn. For the people born under the sign Capricorn, this week is going to be very, very good where your relationship are concerned. You are blessed by the universe. This is the week where Capricorn people, you will feel more loved. You will find new relationship. You will get the love that you want. Maybe if your relationship is somewhere suffering for some issues, or you have minor fights or arguments in your relationship that must have caused some kind of issues for you, this week is a week where it is something to patch up, kind of a thing. It will help you to grow in your relationship. It will help you to patch up your relationship. It is the card where your relationship will grow. Also, there are chances you might travel because of your relationship. So where your relationship is concerned, there are chances that you will travel and you will find someone whom you would find love, or would like to have a relationship with somewhere. So this is the week for relationship. Plus there is a Magician card that has come. So whatever it is, where your career is concerned, your finance is concerned, or your relationship is concerned, it is going to work magic for you this week. And definitely there is no negativity that you will see where your relationship is concerned, money is concerned, or your career is concerned. So this week is going to work for you like magic, Capricorns, and whatever you do is going to give you a positive result. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Aquarius. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Aquarius. Where people born under the sign of Aquarius, be very, very careful where people are not your well-wishers, because there is something where they might do something behind your back that is not good for you. So Aquarius people, where your friends are concerned, or your people close to you are concerned, do not trust them very, very easily. Be very, very careful. Also, there are chances of you can say robbery or some kind of theft. Maybe your ideas are stolen, or if you work, your ideas might be stolen. Your project ideas might be stolen, or definitely something from the house might also be stolen. So just be very, very careful about this kind of thing this week. Also, there are going to be arguments, and there are going to be stuff where you work or in your day-to-day life this week. So just be very, very careful on little things where an argument can start or a fight can start. Where your relationship are concerned, definitely this is a week where you need to balance your relationship and work, because you will be so working hard towards your career or towards the goal that you have, that you might not give enough time to your relationship. So the balance is required this week where your relationship and work is concerned. Your health looks fine, just a little bit of stress here and there might affect you, otherwise your week looks fine. Now our last sign, and that is Pisces. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Pisces. People born under the sign Pisces, you have to be careful this week of the major change coming in your life. Now, if you ask me about is it going to be a good change or a bad change, then I will tell you it is a change where you don't want this change, but you will have to make that change. It's something like that. So that kind of change is there. So a sudden change coming to you this week. Also, there is a negativity that surrounds you this week from your near and dear one. Someone close to you only might be the person who must be thinking negative about you. So just be very, very careful. They are not happy with your growth. So somewhere work on your positivity and work on protecting yourself for any kind of negativity. Also, there is a lot of people around you who judge you, who really don't know exactly what kind of a person you are, but still they have a comment to make, or they have this bad things to tell about you. So this week is a week where you will come to know about all those kind of people, and you will deal with those kind of people. So there is this week where there is a little bit of stress. Also, major change is coming where you don't want to change. A change has to be made compulsory for you this week. So that will cause you some stress related issues. So take care of your health. Stay positive. Finance looks normal. I don't see any problems in your finance. So just think positive and move forward. This shall pass. So that's it for this week. I will come with my reading again. And till then, you take care of yourself. Stay safe. Stay positive. Stay blessed. And love you all.